YouTube family. Welcome back, and what is going on, fam? What's good with y'all, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all. Hey, are y'all tired? Y'all tired of these unboxings, man? Yes, we got hold on, man. Khaled,
another one,
another unboxing, man. Hey, let me know down below, man. Do y'all like these unboxing videos, or y'all just strictly want to see your boy coming with them on feets and lace swaps? I know that's what y'all prefer, but you know, I feel like, you know, this is content to keep y'all, you know, keep y'all going for the time that I am bringing y'all these on feet reviews and lace swaps and all that stuff, man. But anyway, man, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, hey, welcome, man. I thank y'all for checking in, man. But we would love for y'all to stay, man, by hitting that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 50K over here, and hey, we're gonna make that happen soon, man, because we have been doing some numbers over here, man. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you all for rocking out with your boy as usual, man. And hey, welcome to all the newcomers, man. But yes, man, your boy has got two things. I did show, just like, you know, y'all thought I was unboxing one thing based off of that thumbnail, but I do have two things to show y'all, man. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. See what Nike and GOAT sent your boy, man. Bang! Yes, we got some more of that Just Steal It tape, man. Not Just Do It, Just Steal It tape on this package, man. This one came from Nike, as I told y'all. We got two packages, so I'm gonna open up this one first since this is the smaller one. And show y'all what your boy picked up, man. This is actually a second piece to something I already copped and showed y'all on the channel. I do have the second piece. Where I got the second piece at? I got it right here with me, so I'm gonna show y'all both pieces here in a second, man. So popping it open. See what your boy got, man. We got a tag too hanging out, man. They got my tag hanging out of the box, man. But what did your boy pick up from Nike? What could it be? If I can get it open, man. But yeah. Bang! Your boy picked up the Nike Sport, I think it's called Nike Sportswear hoodie, Nike Sportswear hoodie, but they have like a million items with the same exact name, man. So, but the name of this is the Nike Sportswear hoodie. I'm gonna link it down below. It's crazy because I was able to get lucky and grab my size, and now the only size that is left in stock, man. If y'all wear small, I think they have smalls left on them, man, but everything else is sold out, man. So let me get this little dust off this, but yeah, everything else is sold out. But bang, hold on, put that up. Bang, here we go, y'all. The Nike Sportswear hoodie. Your boy did, like I said, man, I did pick up, bam, the pants in one of my vlogs, but they did not have the hoodie for it. So your boy now has the complete set, which is dope in my opinion, bro. I'm digging this, bro. Like on the back, you got that whatever that is, man, on the back. But it's a lot going on with it, man. I thought it was part of the Cactus Plant Flea Market because of that, the way that Air logo and stuff is. But from what I know, it has nothing to do with that Cactus Plant Flea Market stuff. It's just, you know, just a dope piece of clothing from Nike, man. So you got your large and your Nike swoosh in that yellow right there, man. So your boy will be pulling this out and rocking it in one of my upcoming videos real soon, man. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. But that is the first thing that your boy picked up, man. And like I said, I'm gonna link if y'all wear small only because I think every other size is sold out. But then again, they do have this in a yellow colorway as well as a black colorway. So I think they do have sizes left in those, but I will link it down below in the description so y'all can go ahead and check that out. But let's get to the nitty gritty of this video, man. See what GOAT sent your boy over, man. And I got a story for y'all on this one, but let me get that, GOAT. Appreciate that, sir. Appreciate that. Bam. Yes, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it open. I'm gonna let y'all know, bro, the story that I have on these, bro. Okay, I ordered these. I'm not gonna say the date because my dates might be all messed up, but it was like 2 days ago, literally the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday, I ordered these shoes from GOAT. And it's crazy. I mean, it's not crazy that I have them this early because they do have the instant ship option, but it's crazy because this wasn't an instant ship option. I paid just regular. This is like the first time in a minute that I've just got regular because the instant ship, they didn't have it on these shoes. So I just had to get them regular. And based on me buying them regular, they came in 2 days. Like I said, it was the day before yesterday in the morning that I ordered it. And as soon as I ordered it, it said seller packaging. Like it was already instantly confirmed. I'm like, dang, like did they not select the, because the only way I could think it could come this early is if it was instant ship, but they didn't have that option on there. So did they forget to mark that option or something? Because there's no way that this got sent from somebody to go verified and then sent to me in 2 days. There's no way. So, but I did not, like I said, I did not hit instant ship on this because that option was not available. And I got these in 2 days, y'all. I'm gonna actually probably put my receipt stuff up on the screen so y'all can see that I'm not lying. Today's date, what? The date that I'm recording this is, let me see, hold on. November 6th. Y'all probably be seeing this on November 8th or something like that. But yes, as of today, November 6th, I think I ordered it on the 4th and we got the package. But yeah, regular GOAT stuff, man, this brown paper. And then checking out the box. You see, what can it be? This gonna be my thumbnail probably, y'all. So, but yeah, we got that out the way, man. Red Nike box on these, man. And yes, look, no clickbait. As I told y'all in the title, these shoes will be worth over $1,000 in my opinion. In my opinion, like it might not be a year, it might not be 2 years, it might not be 3 years, but trust me, this shoe is going to be worth over $1,000 in the future, man. But this is a once a year pull out shoe, you know what I'm saying? You pull these out every once a year, in my opinion, is what I'm gonna do. But these are the Nike Air Max 95s. The color blocking on it is velvet brown university red. I will hit y'all with a review on feet. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on feet because I might do it on feet like in the house or something just to show y'all how they look. But yes, these, as you can see, do got my GOAT tag right here on the top, but it does have some sort of a different tag right there. That's because this pair, I'm pretty sure, came from overseas, man. Only place I don't even know, did US get these on the sneakers app? I don't even know, man. But opening up the box, man, we do get that little green little sticker right there. We got a lot number. We got a lot number right here on the side. And what we got, man? Are y'all ready to check these out, man? I'm ready to check these out. I want to see what these look like in hand, and that is none other than bang! Woo! Woo! Yes, and look, you see, I had to pull out a shirt like this for this, bro, because of that toe box area, man. You see how it's popping off that, man. But woo, they looking, boy. Grab them now. We got the Air Max 95 Freddy Krueger.
Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that vibe. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
Dang! Yes, sir. We got them 1, 2 Freddy's coming for you. Air Max 95s in the building. Bro, these right here. First of all, grab them now. Grab them now. Trust me, because hey, I wasn't capping with that title saying that these shoes will be worth over $1,000 shortly, man, because I'm telling you, bro, if you look at the Nike SBs, the Freddy Krueger SBs, not saying, hey, they're not gonna be like that. You know, I don't think they are, but if that gives you any indication that these shoes are going to be valued for something, bro, look at the value of them shoes, bro. And like I said, this is dope in hand, bro. Like this canvas material, bro. Hey. And I know I said this is a once a year type shoe, but I might bring these out soon, man. I might gotta bring these out soon. It's not just only for Halloween. This is definitely a winter shoe you can pull out, you know what I'm saying? But it is, you know, of course, a Halloween themed shoe with the horror, you know, and stuff with Freddy Krueger, man. But your boy might gotta pull these out for Halloween next year with a Freddy Krueger mask or something, bro. But very dope, bro. Check out that tongue. You know what I'm saying? That what is that, like a plaid or something? Flannel type look on that tongue, bro. Air Max logo, two-tone with that olive lace hit, as well as like olive going throughout the meshing, or brown, whichever you want to call it, man. But bro, frayed up toe cap, bro. These is fire, bro. And look, your boy brought out the polo. As you can see, like I said, the toe cap, the jeans look, and then look, bro, it is a polo. It is a polo, of course. We're going polo with it, but check out the back. What it's looking like, man. I can't see it because, you know, it's on me, but what it's looking like. We got something, we on to something. But hey, easily can put out with something like this, man. But like I said, bro, very dope shoes. Grab these now. They're not going for too high on StockX. And as I told y'all, bro, it's crazy. I have never purchased a shoe from Go and it arrived so fast other than instant ship. And like I said, man, this didn't have an instant ship option, so I don't know if I got lucky and before they put instant ship on there, I was able to buy it and then just get it shipped. I don't know how it worked, but let me know if y'all ever experienced that, man. But yes, man, the Air Max 95 Freddy Krueger's in the building, man. I will, man. I'm for sure now. I'm gonna hit y'all with that home feed of these, bro. We probably ain't gonna swap them out, bro. You don't need to. Don't need to. We could do some, and this is like this is more of a maroon color, man. It's like dried up blood, you know, that old blood red. It's not, you know, a bright red. So I'm gonna probably just keep them just like this, bro. You do not have to touch every shoe with a lace swap. So I think that these are clean and dope just as is. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Freddy Krueger 95s. And I did mention earlier that these released on the Sneakers app. They didn't. It was just an overseas release, man. So yeah, bro. Dope, bro. Like I said, I ain't gonna get into too much details, but that is it for the Air Max 95 Freddy Krueger unboxing, as well as my Nike Sportswear jumpsuit unboxing. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box, man. Thank y'all for pulling up as usual. If y'all are new, man, make sure that y'all sub up, be a part of the family, be a part of that road to 50K, man. And yeah, we gonna check out with these bang Freddy Kruegers. And one quick thing, bro, on the left shoe, I noticed, bro, check this out, bro. On the left shoe, we do get that stitching, bro. Dope touch. Stitching right here that you don't have on this shoe, and then on the medial side you got stitching right there that you don't have on the other shoe. So the little subtle details, man, but we will get into those on the next video, man. So stay tuned for that. We out until the next one. Y'all stay blessed. Thank y'all, man. And 1, 2, Sneaker fam is coming for you. We out. Peace.
What or would it be? YouTube family, it's all LUV. That's from me to you to me. Yeah, kicking major flame, how I rocks with it. Then cop by 2, 3 fists and gotta cop the sauce with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rocking with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new